Good evening, everyone. I think it's the time. I think that you miss me a lot. It's been a long time since we talk like this each other. The 2020 year of 2020 is gonna be crazy till now, and the pandemic and everything is going so crazy. I hope everyone is fine. I hope everyone is healthy. Tonight, when I create something unique for me, the subject is the mosaic effect on HTML. So if you want, we can jump into the job and let's got some HTML. By the way, HTML is not a coding. So we are creating the basics and we say index.html, and after that we say style.css, and we say app.js. As we create those three files, now we are doing our basics. Let's name it Mosaic effect using Javascript. Yeah, let's put our link with style.css and put the script, close the tab, and say source app.js. Let me see if we're recording. Yes, we're recording. It's nice. And in HTML file, we're gonna do something very basic. Say main. In this main, we're gonna append the childs which we are gonna create through JavaScript, each square, and put it inside this main. And as you know, the mosaic, it will be like with each square will have a unique background color with it, and will be along the width and the height of the screen. Okay, that's good. Save it. Let's go and style our CSS file. Say margin 0, the basics, padding 0, box sizing, border box here. Yeah, border box, that's good. And what we have else, let's grab the main class. But before that, I want to do something with body. Let's crop the body and say min height 100, view height, and say overflow hidden. Okay, let's go to main, say position relative with 100 view width and the height of 100 view height. Okay, let's make a class with a box. I'm gonna style my small boxes. I will say position absolute for this, absolute. And I will give the height of 20 pixels and the width of 20 pixels again. And I will say border 1 pixel solid black. Okay. After that, I'm gonna create the I'm gonna separate the small box into the two pieces, and in the right piece will be the color with opacity 1, and on the left side of the box will be the color with opacity approximately 0.5 let's have that. For that, I'm gonna grab the box class and say before. I'm gonna give again the position of absolute. I'm gonna say top 0 and width of 50%. Okay, 50%. And I'm gonna say with background color RGBA 255, the white one, and with the opacity of 0.2. Okay, in order to inspect if everything is okay, let's open the live server and see what we get. As a result, we have nothing here, as you see, but as soon as I put the box class, okay, as you see, there's a square here, small square. Let me see what we have here. 0.5. Oops, and the height of 100%. Don't forget that. Okay. Oh, and I'm gonna put also the content. Sorry. In order to create the illusion of we have the let me see what we have here. As you can see now, the small square here, it's separated to 2, divided to 2, and it's the left side, it's a little bit blurry, but the right side is with the opacity 1. Let's have everything back. Put everything back. Okay. Hit save. Now it's gone. Go back to my HTML file. Put again back the main class. Okay. Everything disappeared, and now I'm inside my app.js file, and here we have the illusion. Okay. For here, I'm gonna make 2 loops. For the first loop, I'm gonna say for let I equals to 0, I is less and equal to window dot inner width. Okay. And I'm gonna increase this with 20. Okay, and then I'm gonna insert this loop. I'm gonna get another loop. I'm gonna say for let x equals to 0, x is less and equal to window dot inner height. Okay, x equals to x plus 20. Oops, 20. Open, close. Okay. In this occasion, we'll get each box that we are gonna create with an element and put it inside this in our HTML file, and make it appear the one each other the other. I want to add something more. Let's come to say main display flex. Okay, that's okay. I'm coming back here, and now let's make it happen. I'm gonna say let box equals document dot create element. I'm gonna say div. I'm gonna create a div. Okay. I'm gonna get the box, the variable box that I've created. I'm gonna put a class list, add. I'm gonna put the class list of box. Okay. And I'm gonna say box.style, and for each time that the loop turns, I'm gonna say top equals to x plus pixels, and box.style for the left side. Each time it adds inside our main div, I'm gonna say left equals to I plus pixels. Okay, and let's add it inside our element document query selector. Query selector. I'm gonna get the main div and say append child. I'm gonna put the box variable and see what we have. As you see now, refresh the page. I have inserted the each box here. Overflow 0. Oh my god, not 0, hidden. Yeah, hidden. That's perfect. As soon as I open, you see now that I've inserted every single box inside my HTML file. Let me see if we are recording. Okay, we are good. Let me grab it here. Oh my god, my eyes. And now, what else we can do? I'm gonna create another function here. I'm gonna say get random color palette function, get random color. Okay, let me see now what we have here. Let me see. Let's say I will create a variable with color, and I'll say this. Okay. Let me see what happens. Let index equals to math. And now I'm gonna generate I would say floor. I'm gonna generate a random number here, but first let me do it first. Okay. Let's say palette equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and A, B, C, D, E, F. I'm gonna create the palette of the colors randomly and put it inside, insert it inside my color variable, and then assign it to the box style with the background, and will be like a random color here. Okay, okay. Is it okay? Yeah, it is. And now we are looping for 6 times. Let I equals to 1, I is less and equal to 6. I'm gonna loop 6 times. I what we have here, what we have here, okay. What we do here, let's say let index, sorry, yeah, let index equals to math dot floor. I don't want a decimal number. Open the parentheses and say math dot random. I'm gonna multiply with the palette dot length. Okay, I grab it, and let's see what we have here. Dot log. Okay, and say index. And I wanna, not index, I wanna say color here. Okay, I'm gonna put this outside of my loop. I'm gonna say color, sorry, color equals to index here. I'm gonna say palette, sorry, palette with index here. And I have to run this function. Let's say we grab here, say get color. And I think we have an error here. Open with live server. What's going on? Why we have nothing here? Open with live server. Okay. Oops, sorry. That's why we get the error, I think. Let's make it work once again. Open with live server. Okay. Now inspect the console element here. Fail it. As you see here, we get a palette number with the length of 6. And now this, I'm gonna assign it with hashtag at the beginning and assign it as a background color. Let's do that also. And then say return. Okay, put the hashtag here, and then plus the color, and then I will assign it here box.style background color, and I will say get random color. Okay, and see what's going on here. As you see, we've got that many palettes here. It's the Mosaic. I refresh once more, and we have this cool Mosaic effect. Let me see what else we can do. Let's search for color palettes with hashtag. Yeah, our project was very short, I know, but according to, as you can see now, we have the hashtag, we have the number, the letters, and everything, and we assign to our Mosaic here. Let me see if we can do it more smaller, even smaller. Let's make it 10 by 10. Okay. Whoa. Now we have more Mosaic thing, but we have to also make even smaller this one in order to be more sufficient. As you can see, we have smaller boxes here, and we can make it also as we want, bigger boxes. Let's say I'm gonna make it 30-30. Okay, and also I have to increase the number by 30 by 30. And now I have bigger boxes, and etc. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. I enjoyed it much. But I didn't like that. I'm gonna make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Let's see if I do G. Let's see what's going to happen. I'm gonna make it 20 by 20. Nope, there's no any such G. It gives an error. Yep. I'm gonna go also to CSS and say it's 20 by 20. Yeah, that's better. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. If you like this video and you want to see more of this, please give like to this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It will be very helpful to me and will mean a lot to me, because I have a target, as I told you in the beginning. I don't want to mention the number anymore. So, see you in the next tutorial. Until then, be safe. Bye.